Hey, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. So I assume you know, but you know what assuming does? My wife and I own Medical Gear Outfitters. That's another company that we sell first aid supplies and kits with. So we have the Skinny Medic Project over here, and then we have Medical Gear Outfitters. The Medical Gear Outfitters helps fund the Skinny Medic Project and also helps support us. So we have a new website for it. The old one was at shop.skinnymedic.com, and it worked for a long time, but you guys were on me about how outdated it looked, and it wasn't very mobile friendly. I'm very big on analytics and data, and most of our sales are coming through mobile users, so that website was not very mobile friendly. So we have moved to a new shopping cart, and it's at medicalgearoutfitters.com. So I just wanted to make that announcement for you guys, so you guys will go over there. So in the future, when we add new products, we've already added probably about 6 new products this year. We're adding just to the medicalgearoutfitters.com. So I've got to go change all the links to my videos. You're going to see this shop.skinnymedic.com slowly start to go away. So I got to go change those links in about 600 videos. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. If you haven't been to the new website, head over there. Let us know what you think about it. That's where all the new products are going to go in. That's where we're going to start pushing all of our traffic there. For those of you who are inside the U.S., we do ship just inside the U.S. Unfortunately, we have contracts with some of our distributors that say we cannot ship outside the U.S. So there you go. So I just wanted to make that announcement. We've slowly been starting to try to build it up, but I believe we're there. We still have some little minor issues to fix, but I do believe we're there now with the new website. So I appreciate all the support. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder, maybe the right gear and the right training.